Tonight's lock that I will attempt to open is this Hermex CH-50. I got it from Mexico, I think last year. That's the key beating, not that bad. Does work. And what I have found out about this lock is that you can single pick it, not really easy. Not because there are any security pins inside, there are no security pins inside, but for whatever reason it does not pick good, or doesn't pick easy. However, if you try to rake it, it rakes pretty fast, I would say. So let's try first and SPP it, and then we can try and rake it also. It's an iron lock, by the way. It's coated with some gray paint on top. Not really easy to single pick. So it's manageable, a little bit slower than I would expect for a lock with no security pins, but it is manageable. So now let's try and rake it real quick. So I'll be using this, I think it was called City Rake, and by raking it, as I said, it takes reasonably fast. So that's number one. Let's try. Oh no, that's on camera, of course, it will not rake. Okay, I do believe that opened it, but my attention flew away. Let's change it. So, once again. Okay, let's reset and try once more. Here we go. Rake also open. A little bit slower than the few times that I did it off camera, but still, it's rakeable as well. What I have noticed, I'm not sure if it's possible to be shimmed, because here on the right side there's barely no space to shim it. Come on, camera, please focus. There we go. Or not? Camera, please. Okay. Here I don't think it's possible to put anything, even if I press the shackle to the right. But to the left there is some space. Unfortunately I don't have any shim, so I can't try it. But because it's not ball bearings, I believe it might be shimmed. Okay guys, thanks for watching and keep it Lego. Cheers.